Namaskar and welcome to Golden Epaulets podcast by Pilots for Pilots. My name is Ronak and today, again, it's a very, very special day. You would ask why. Well, I have a guest here today who's special in many ways. She's feisty, she's dynamic, she's been a dear friend of eons, and I personally do get my bit of inspiration, whether that's fitness inspiration, you know, love towards animal, aviation, anything from her. We have Captain Nikita Tomar on board. Hello, Captain Nikita.
Hi, Ronak.
How are you?
It's such a pleasure to be here.
Pleasure is ours, Captain Nikita, completely. Thank you so much for being on this platform. Well, for the Unburst, Captain Nikita is the first Indian pilot who flies the wide-body aircraft for the national carrier of UAE. And how does she do it, you will ask? Well, she adorns many hats and looks fab in all of them. Over to her for a story. Captain Nikita.
Thank you so much, Ronak, for having me here. It's a pleasure, and I'm so delighted to be here. So, where shall I start from?
Yes, well, before the podcast, you were telling me something on the lines of मैंने उसमें travel किया और अब मैं इसमें travel करती हूँ.
From Bullock Cart.
Yeah. Can we get that?
Okay, let me start from there. First of all, I'm a girl. So I have so many obligations from where I come. But let me start from there. From Bullock Cart to flying a Jahaj. That's what have been my journey.
From bullock carts to flying a jahaz.
Yes.
Your modes of transportation have changed quite a bit, no?
A lot, dynamically. So yes, I mean, let me elaborate that to you. So basically, I come from a very small town, and my father has been in a government, sector for a long time. So we have been in places that people might not know the names. So I started my journey when I was in my pre-nursery. My father was posted in Kamganj. And it is an area I'm sure you've never heard the name of that place. And sugar mills are usually isolated. There's absolutely nothing, just that sugar industries and couple of houses and some people,
The employees who
the
live
employees
around,
and all. And from there was a school that was a little far off from our sugar industry, the accommodation we were in. उस टाइम पे मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्टेशन नहीं था, वी डोंट हैव ऑल दोज फैंसी कार्स एंड स्कूल बसेस एंड ऑल दैट. तो बुलक कार्ट, बैलगाड़ी चलती थी जिसपे सारे बच्चे जाते थे स्कूल बैलगाड़ी पे. मुझे नहीं ये बात पता थी, एंड आई वॉज हियर एट माई होम फ्यू डेज बैक एंड आई वॉज जस्ट टॉकिंग, डिस्कसिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम माई फादर, एंड सडनली ही गेट्स अप एंड सेज, आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ माई डॉटर कि उसने बैलगाड़ी से एयरक्राफ्ट तक का सफ़र करा. इट्स लाइक, व्हाट पापा? Because I don't remember, I was a kid, it was pre-nursery, and then I was like, oh my god, and he's like, I am so proud of you. I was like, thank you so much. So there's something that I recently got to know
I'm feeling
from...
proud of you right now. There's a lot of pride coming from me. It's amazing. That's amazing. I have no words. You're
So
welling
from-
up when you say that. Your eyes are tearing. You're
Yes,
welling up.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So from there, I started my journey from Bullock Cart to soaring in skies, having my nice seat in the cockpit, sipping through coffee, looking at the beautiful skies, now traveling all around the world. This journey
you do it
has
well,
been
my dear.
surreal. Thank you so much,
You do
Ronak.
it
You have
well.
seen me.
Yeah.
You have seen me in all shapes and sizes, and you have
But
met
whatever
me.
you've done, I feel you've done it well. As a steady girlfriend, or I do honestly, genuinely admire your strength.
Thank you so
I
much.
do admire the energy. I do admire the energy which we've been feeling before the podcast even
Yes.
started. So, like I said, I get my bit of inspiration and from my real life examples as well. Apart from the celebs I look up to. By celebs I mean writers, Bollywood actors, or whoever you want to call. But you've been that for me. You've
Yes.
been that for me when
Thank you
I
so
speak
much.
to you and when I ask you and I'm like, yeah, वो कर रही है यार, वो कर रही है. And you tell me कि करना
Yes,
है.
करना है, right.
करना है.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's no backing off.
No.
So now that's very, very, very warm to hear that journey, and I want to ask you, ki coming here was definitely not easy, right?
No.
Reaching here,
No, definitely not.
and you've been a receptionist, a cabin crew.
A dispatcher, a crew scheduler, a guest service officer in the hotels, again, when I had no job, and I don't know what not. I think I don't even remember how many jobs I have done.
मतलब hats की कमी ही नहीं
नहीं
है.
है,
हाँ.
नहीं है.
So
I even worked in a Richfield Trichology Center, वो जो बाल उगाते हैं. I was like, wow, I was like, that was absolutely out of the box. It's like, I was there just because I was having 12,000 rupees. So yeah, that
पैसे
was
मिल रहे थे तो
पैसे मिल रहे थे, क्या करें?
फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस
Yes, that's the most important thing for me as a woman.
पिक्चर बनानी पड़ेगी स्टोरी पे
बैठना पड़ेगा साथ
बैठना
में
पड़ेगा।
5 घंटे के लिए to understand.
Okay, so please tell us, how did it start?
All right. As you all know, I'm a woman. एक लड़की का होना in our country is not an easy job, and the region I'm coming from, you know, it's a very small town thing, and usually we don't get much of what do you call that, opportunities to do something in our life. But my parents thought it other way. They have taken it too seriously that कुछ ना कुछ तो करेंगी हमारी बेटियाँ, and they have created a lot of opportunities for us, even when not even having a single dime in their account. They literally thought कि कुछ ना कुछ तो, you know, we cannot support them financially, let's support them mentally, you know. So their unwavering support to me, you know, and making me who I am right now, I owe my position, my current job to them, because their dedication, determination is off limits. You know, they have created a world for me that I cannot thank enough. Like, this whole life would be too short to constantly thank them for putting me where I'm right now. So I owe my success, my life, my position, everything to my parents. You know, there's this beautiful saying that I have heard in a movie कि भगवान हर जगह नहीं हो सकते. That's why he created mother. And for me, that's my mother. And for me, that's my parents.
Yeah, I agree with you. Alright, so Captain Nikita, आप आज एक पायलट हैं, एक लीडिंग कैरियर में, UAE में. You're a first officer on the white bodies. जो आज तक का आपका सफ़र है, वो कैसे, कब, कहाँ शुरू हुआ, और आपने यहाँ पहुँचने तक के लिए क्या क्या किया?
Ronak, I think your question is wrong. मैंने क्या नहीं किया, that should be the question.
Okay.
I have done everything, like operator, air hostess, receptionist, guest service officer, worked in the dispatch team, crew scheduling. उसके बाद समझ में आया कि यार this is not my expertise, कुछ और करना चाहिए. I want to be something better. तब समझ में आया, I think I should do a pilot.
काफी वक्त लगा,
काफी वक्त लगा.
काफी सारे प्रोफेशंस में आपने डाइवल किया.
पैसे नहीं थे ना, अदरवाइज बहुत पहले समझ में आ जाता. So I was kind of, you know, organizing a financial stability for me, and also trying to understand कि ठीक है, अभी this is my forte.
So wherever you got a little bit of money and exposure and experience,
yes, I just grabbed that opportunity. For me in my life, कुछ छोटा और बड़ा नहीं है. What matters to me is that I am progressing in life. 4,000 की सैलरी से 8,000 की सैलरी पे पहुंची, वहाँ से 12,000, वहाँ से 14,000, फिर डेकन में 21,000, 21,000 rupees, and then finally Kingfisher में I used to earn like 35,000. So I was progressing in my life, you know. Career, I never took it, because I remember my father always said कि बेटा ज़िंदगी में ना कुछ भी काम छोटा नहीं है. तुम अगर एक पियोन की नौकरी भी अपने दिल, अपनी शिद्दत से करोगे ना, तो वो भी तुम्हें पता नहीं कहाँ से कहाँ लेके पहुँच जाएगी. So I always thought that कि हाँ ठीक है, doesn't matter what I am doing, what matters in my life is that
how am I doing it? Okay. Then Captain Nikita, finally, how did it happen? Like, how did the pilot seed, you know, get sowed in your head, and how did it start? Was it a particular event?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is, and it would always be very special to my heart.
Indeed.
This fine day, I was doing a service to the cockpit, and this wonderful gentleman struck a conversation with me, you know, and I was very delighted that, wow, he's talking to me, such a senior captain. And he just casually said, we were just discussing about career, that, you know, how far I have come. Is like, you deserve to be in cockpit. I said, what, me? Nah. I mean, kaha main commerce background.
He just said that, you know, you deserve to be in the cockpit.
I don't know what potential he saw in me, but I was very delighted to hear that. I was like, oh my god, like, are you talking to me, like me here in the cockpit? Nah, just get your coffee. So I just wanted to finish that conversation. I was like, I don't want to get into the facts. I gave him coffee. I got out of the cockpit, and I swear, Ronak, I just couldn't sleep the whole night. I was so excited to go back home and tell my parents that, you know what, he said that to me, like me, pilot, in the cockpit. And that just changed the whole geometry in my head. Like my gyros literally were like, rolled out back and forth. And I was
And
like,
that was the day
that was
that you
the day.
decided, I'm gonna fly.
I was like, अब करना है तो यही करना है,
Oh wow.
जो भी हो जाए.
So like there's this thing I say, it's a Ghana basically, but I often quote this, 2-4 महीन से लम्हों में उम्रों के हिसाब होते हैं.
बस.
वो एक आपका लम्हा था.
वही था. I was like, this is the moment. I always believe in moments. Like, so many things happened in my life that changed my whole perspective. That was the moment for me that literally changed something, moved something in my heart, like here, that I was like, okay, why not? I had no idea. I had no clear plans. I had no resources, but I knew that I am destined to be something bigger in my
Bigger,
life,
yeah.
and I'm gonna start it. How, where, I don't know, but this girl's gonna do it. And imagine what I did.
For sure you are. Of course you are. For sure you are. All right, well, that was Captain Nikita, and I can't stop listening to her, and I have so many more things to ask. But for that, you need to have a look at our part 2. This was me, Ronak, Golden Epaulets Aviation.